From ancient age, Bengal has been renowned in crafting fine fabrics which became a part of our culture. This symbol of weaving fabrics took over as an inspiration for the local garments industry, where it is standing today globally. With the inspiration of our tradition of weaving fabrics, Textown Ltd commenced its business in the fashion world in 1991. Over the years, with quality in manufacturing and customer satisfaction, it has grown vertically. Today, Textown is one of the prominent activewear manufacturers globally. An organization which started with 100 dynamic workforce and 35 machines today has become an industry of 4,000 committed professionals working relentlessly to produce 1.5 million pieces per month. Today, Textown Ltd has 4 strategic business units which complements each other. Through vertically integrated setup, Textown has made a global footprint with client portfolio spanning across 10 countries in Australia, Europe and Asia. The products are 100% various top-quality knitwear for men, women and children. Specialized in cotton, polyester, linen, bamboo, viscose, modal and polyamide, with functional finishes engineered with fancy yarn and knit. Product portfolio that includes knit garments like polo, trouser, jacket, yoga wear, leisure and sportswear, field CE platforms also.